go to Insert Shapes and add a text box. Now, add your text in the text box. Then, increase its size. Adjust it. Bold the text. Go to Arrange, Align, and Align Middle, and then Align Center. Now go to Pictures and add a colorful picture. Increase its size. Send the picture to back. Now, select the text and change its font. Select both the text and picture, and go to Merge and select Intersect. Now, go to Shapes and add a rectangle onto the entire slide. Decrease its size. Duplicate it. Give them gradient from shape format. I'll add different colors. Now, it's time to give it presets and shadow. Give. It is showed right here. Now give animations as I have done. Here's the final result. Subscribe!